Hi guys, for today's video, welcome to Dito kami sa France, guys, and then we're going to Paris with Mommy Flo.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, diba?
I'm the devil. I'm the devil.
The devil wears Prada.
Prado.
Hindi nag-Louis ka kasi. And then, dito si Mamang. Pagay ka, uy. Watch out sila sa outfit natin, no?
Correct.
Watch out sa outfit natin.
Paganda yung mga photos namin and videos.
Yes. Oh.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are here at Paris. Laki pala nun, no? Welcome to Paris! Mama, nasan ka? Hi, Dean!
Naka-hide sa bag.
Beautiful bridge.
Yeah. Dito sa rin kami. Okay. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. The last palace of Napoleon. Paris.
Oh.
So guys, we're here at Eiffel Tower. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Yes. Miss Universe. Yeah. Eiffel Tower here at Paris, France. Paris. Ang daming tao dito, guys. Because we're here at Paris. Oh my God. Say hi. Hello, Jean. Halloween. Hello, Black. Yes guys, we're going to Arc de Triomphe. Naglalakad kami. Kasi kumakain ng mais. Kaya lang girls. Tsaka si Mamang, oh, ilang sampal yan. Mamang. Yan guys.
Sino sumampal ako ikaw?
Si jowa niya. Naglalakad lang kami kasi nga hindi pa namin alam paano gumamit ng Shangri-La pala to, Shangri-La Paris. Shangri-La, sorry. Shangri-La Paris. Ayun, at last, dati pinapangarap ko lang makapunta dito sa Paris. Ang dami nag-restore na negatibo na hindi ako makapunta dito. But look at me now. Watching me. So how's the experience in Paris?
Fantastic, fantabulous. I was very happy, contented kasi finally nakagawa ako ng video and photos na sobrang ganda. Abangan.
Abangan. Ikaw, Mami, how?
We're so excited and thankful because we have a very good cameraman and director.
Give credit.
So,
Abangan. Ikaw?
Ate.
Ate?
Siyempre, happy kasi kasama ko kayo sa Paris.
Siyempre, nag-world tour na to, no? Para may fun ba? So guys, we're going to Arc de Triomphe. And we're here here at the Uber. And the Uber is Tesla. First time makaride ng Tesla. Social lang kuya. Say hi guys.
Hello!
Hello, Halloween.
Hello, Halloween! Halloween party. In Paris.
Ano sa Paris?
How?
Guys, tapos na kami sa Arc de Triomphe and then we're heading to the next destination here in Paris, Arc de Triomphe. So far, so good, guys. We're here in Paris, and we're now here in Louis Vuitton, and the biggest shop. Oo nga pala, parang nakaback siya, di ba?
Oo, diyan ka.
Hindi ko pa nagagamit yung bag ni ate. Hindi pa naihiram. Moulin Rouge. Hi guys, we're here at the Eiffel Tower during night. Lapit kayo guys. Hello, Halloween. Hello, the universe.
Malapit ang Miss Universe of France. May kilay pa rin ako for today's video. Guys, we're here now. Nagbe-blink na Paris.
Yes,
Nagbe-blink sa Paris.
Cuts up the lights.
Yes, Paris.
This is the reason why it's called the City of Lights. So
Because
the tower is actually
blinking
every hour on the hour.
wow, ano yun? So,
Like every hour, like exactly like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock in the night until midnight.
Ang galing mo dun ha. Nag-research ka no. Ako hindi ako nag-research pero alam ko every hour siya.
Ano yan chemistry ang tawag doon. It's about chemistry subject.
Oh my God. I finally made it. Thank God.
Yeah.
So I would like to thank my final sponsor. May sponsor pala magpunta ng Paris. Yung si Afam natin. Charot. Shout out. Sinautot yung jowa. Charot. Bye guys. Thank you so much.
Claim na namin na may jowa kami kahit wala.
Oo, true. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you
To
like.
see you next time.
See you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
First of the Louvre and other one. Char.
Yes, we're going to
Bye. Laboro. Laboro. Bye-bye.
Laboro.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, mami. Bye-bye. Ciao. Ciao.